Help us get the whole fam together in time for the grand opening. Find stickers as you unbox the maze and match the numbers on the stickers to the numbers on the grid. Get everyone in their place so we can take an amazing family portrait to remember this fabulous day. And if we flip this over, we can see a grid where we're going to place the stickers according to the matching letter and number. Over here we have the doll features page. So we're going to unwrap some dolls that drink milk from a bottle and cry. They can tilt their heads and water can come out their ears. Oh my. And the boys, they can also drink from their bottles. They can cry and they spit. Ew. And the kitty cat
does the same
can
thing.
also drink from the bottle and they wet. Oh no. And cry. Oh, poor thing. And spit. And the little sisters and little brothers can change their outfits when they're in warm water, and when they're warm at room temperature, and when they're cold. Wow. This is going to be so exciting. Pull here at the lower bottom corner, the left-hand corner.
I found box 1. Come on, let's open in box 1. How do you open this thing? Now let's open it. Oh my god. This baby alive is called Lily.
Little Perm. Little Perm.
Little Perm.
This sticker says A-0-009. So let's go back. It's right here. Alright.
Now let's open her accessory.
And then we open it. You need scissors?
Yes, please.
Got it?
No.
No, this way is rolling. Cross way.
Now let's open it.
What's the kind of scissors?
Huh?
You could just cut the whole thing wrong.
Now let's take the surprise out. Oh, it's the little baby. Little Kim.
Oh, she's so cute. And she should be a color change. So far we have Little Prim, whose pants change colors from who gets black leggings when she's placed in cold water. Now that she's out of the water, her leggings are going away and they're going back to flesh tone. Changing, baby. Alright. So that was box number 1. Where could box number 2 be?
Right here. I found it before you. I found this box before you, Mama.
Sharp eyes. You have such sharp eyes, Joella.
It's a pair of shoes of the OMG LL doll.
Heels.
Well, you put them forward, they look like parrot heels.
Okay. Box number 3.
Found it! You're right about me.
Oh, wait. This one didn't have a sticker in it? Okay, I guess because there wasn't a LOL doll inside, right?
Yeah. One LL dolls have a sticker.
What could be in box number 3?
It's clothes for LOL. Cool. That's my type of cool. Let's figure out what's in box number 4. It's a pair of cute little shoes with little pom-poms on it.
Box number 5.
Okay. Here. Now.
Right. So this says number 5 and it says 6.
That
we're supposed to open.
This is number 6.
Okay, the item underneath it. Whoa, there's a surprise item underneath. It's number 6. But this box, inside this box is number 5. And what do we have?
In box number 5. Here's scissors. It's an LOL. Oh, this is a dog.
Oh, it's a puppy. Is that a puppy?
Yeah.
It is a puppy.
Let's get the water, okay? Come on. Oh, I think.
And we have a little pup who I just placed in the water. And if you squeeze the pup, what is going to happen? Oh, Daddy's wee-wee!
Oh. Yeah, we open number 6. See? It's a top. It's a top for these pants. Oh my.
Oh, okay, so it looks like we unzipped the box too early, but nevertheless, we should be able to remove box 7 and open. Now we're looking for box 7. I see 8.
But no 7.
But where is 7? There's box 7.
Let's take her out. Scissors, please. It's a pair of a shirt. It's a pair of shirts.
A shirt?
Yeah.
Okay. That looks like it might be a shirt for a boy.
Yeah, that shirt is for a boy.
That's a cute little shirt.
Now let's look. Let's look for 8. I found 8. Oh no. Sometimes these boxes can give you a full surprise. It's a pair of glasses. I think these might go with her.
I think they're kind of too big for her.
Yeah.
for her.
I
A
know.
little prim.
But they do go with her style.
Okay. What about box 9?
I'm gonna keep it. There's box 9. Ooh. Under box 9 is box 10.
Good catch, Joella.
It's 2 shoes.
We have another pair of little shoes. What is that?
It's hair clip.
Oh, it's a hair clip. Inside box 10, there were 2 hair clips. One says yes, and the other one says queen.
11.
11. So 11 is a blind bag. And inside we have like checkered racetrack type glasses. Open the lid of box 12.
Whoa! Box 12 is a big surprise. Oopsie.
Just trim the very top, please. The very top of the bag.
It's a comb.
Oh, a brush.
It's a brush for the OMG LOL doll. Because their hair is real.
And then rotate and open box 13. So box 13 is right over here.
There. It's her. It's her. It's the little baby's mother.
Oh, it's her mother
Uh-huh.
or her big sister?
It's her big sister.
So her name
Or-
is Proper. The little-
Ah! She's naked! I need my shirt.
Of course, Proper. Let's see what your outfit consists of.
There. Now all you just need to do is. Can I see my little sister right now? Oh. Little sissy. Big sissy. I can't believe that you found her. Oh, sissy. She has a hole at the bottom. Thank you for cutting my teeth. Okay, 14. There's 14. 14 something. 14 is a milk carton. For the big sister.
Oh, for the big sister?
Yeah.
Okay, now squeeze her head.
Okay. Oh, she's peeing on my hair.
Okay, so she
She's a pee.
Alright, I think she needs a bigger pull-up.
Yeah. It's my little wristband.
Whose wristband is that? Well, we can't tell yet from this photo.
Right here.
Alright, so we found number 17.
Yeah. Oh, number 17 is a big box. It's Yuppie Puppy.
Oh, it was a puppy.
No, it's a cat, but its name is just Yuppie Puppy.
All right.
Weird. Now let's open this. It's the cat. Meow.
It's Yuppie Puppy.
Yay.
And Yuppie Puppy can pee and spit. Right here we have box 18. So pull it out.
It's the key.
Oh wow, we found a key. I think I read something about keys earlier. Alright, so there are keys to the closet. So this is one key. I think it's supposed to, does it open?
It opens.
Or it has two parts? Okay, so there are two parts of the key that make one key that opens up the LOL OMG.
That opens the LOMG rooms. I saw that in the video, Mama.
So insert combined keys.
See? That's
Insert the combined keys and turn to the right. And then we'll have the LOL OMG dolls. And then we have a little push in hanger and open the flap on the garment bag to remove the outfit. You can place your little toys, the little outfit. You can place your accessories inside.
after box 19 is 20. And 20 is just below it. Pair of outfits. Pants.
This pant looks more like a skirt to me. So which number is this that we're opening?
20.
20.
We have a pair of white shoes.
Tiny white shoes.
Now we're opening 21. It's a set of pants for proper. Can we get it's a set of skirts for proper. Can we get proper up here? Skirt. Oh, it's my skirt. Yay!
Wow, she's looking cute.
Papa for the cute baby. Now opening.
So time for number. Time for number 22.
Okay, then put on the LOL.
Just cut the very top.
I told you it was in the LOL, Mama.
What could it be? Is there a sticker inside?
Let's see. Oh yeah, there is a sticker.
What is it?
City Slicker.
City Slicker. So it feels like an accessory.
Glasses.
Whoa, it looks like a pair of sunglasses for an OMG doll.
Excuse me, I'm looking for a 007. And there.
And now 24 is right underneath where 23 was.
We got the lightning. We got his clothes.
Okay, so we have his shirt.
Okay.
And if I'm looking correctly at this sticker here, he has a pair of checkered pants, 25 miles per hour. This is number 25. Inside number 25, we have a pair of pants that look like they go to Proper.
But they don't go with Proper.
They don't?
No, Proper already has a skirt.
Okay, yeah, Proper already has a skirt. So this must be for a boy. This would be for her brother.
Yeah.
Okay, set these aside.
Let's find her back there.
Boy, this shirt doesn't look like it's the right size. Where?
26.
Who could this be?
Peppery.
Puppy. And surprise number 27 is...
Sissy.
So number 27 is a pair of little red and white sneakers.
Yeah.
Now it's time to open up number 28. Whoa. And this is the family photo so far.
I don't
And
think
surprise number 30 is right here. Let's open it. So box 31, we're supposed to flip it up. And hey, it's another family member. This time it is Lil Downtown Doll.
Okay, we're ready to go.
So now it's time to open box 32.
Where's the little member? I want to see a little member.
Remember.
Oh, Downtown.
And look what happened after we put this little one in cold water. She gained fishnet stockings.
She's good. Oh, fishnet stockings. Just like her big sister.
But now that we've taken her out of the cold water, the fishnet stockings are slowly going away.
Okay, now let's move on to the next one, okay?
So Joella just pointed out that we forgot surprise 29, which is
It's a bag. No, it's a
a
bag.
belt.
It's a bag.
Okay, it is a bag.
It's a bag for the LOMG.
33 is right there.
Is there? You have to be kidding me.
So number 33 is pull out the draw of box 33.
Have to move this to pull it out. It's a cat. Uptown Meow.
So this time we have Uptown Meow. Surprise number 34 was a picture for the family portrait. Now it's time for surprise
It doesn't say where we're supposed to.
35. I'm going to open up surprise. Well, that looks like number 36 down there. Number 35 and 36.
Is this
What could they
35?
be? No, this is 35. The box is 35 and the bag is 36.
Just a pair of shirts.
A pair of shoes? The glove.
Shirt.
Whose glove is that?
Let's look. Unless we don't know yet.
You may not know quite yet.
Yeah. Still got some puddles.
And number 36 is a sippy cup. Now I can only imagine this might be for downtown girl, but let's keep looking. Now we're on to number 37.
Ooh, this thing's got my tape. There you go. We got some shoes for proper. See? Huh?
Shoes for proper?
Yeah.
Okay. Here. So now we have proper shoes. I think her outfit is all done.
Yeah, it is all done.
So we have completed Proper's outfit. Next number is number 38. Oh my goodness, Proper, you look so dazzling in your outfit. And what was number 38, Joella?
Glasses.
Whoa, those are some cute pearls. Are those pearls?
Yeah. Yeah.
And then 39. Looks like another accessory, maybe. Over there.
It's a pair of two little shoes.
Shoes. We have two black and white